Hi, welcome to NeoMJ Toys. Today, we will unbox and review the Iron Man Mark 50 luxury version by ZD Toys. I got this from Goody Good Deals and Toys on Shopee. You may want to check them out. I put the link in the description below. Order yours now, and get some sticker freebies like these. Let's get to know first what this Mark 50 armor is. The Mark 50, as its name suggests, is the 50th Iron Man suit of Tony Stark. It is the armor used to battle Thanos and his allies in Infinity War. This armor is more advanced than any other previous armors. It is stored inside the detachable arc reactor on Tony's chest. It possesses many capabilities and useful functions for Tony to use at his disposal. This armor uses an advanced nanotechnology which helps in forming new structures and shapes of weapons in the suit, such as blades, shields, cannons, etc. Let's now check the box. The box of this figure is twice as big as the previously released boxes. Here's a little comparison for your reference. Its front shows a cool artwork of Mark 50 and the Avengers Infinity War logo. It also states that this is a luxury version. It has the authenticity sticker on the lower right, the Marvel logo, and an Infinite Action X logo on the lower left. The armor's name and image on its side, and the movie logo on the other side. The back of the box has the figure's image in different poses. It also has the product description and specifications. Let's now unbox this. Opening this box is like flipping a book cover. And we'll get two different plastic trays which holds the figure and its accessories. This is also the first time that ZD Toys included an instruction manual. Too bad it's in Chinese writings, but just by looking at the images, you will know exactly what to do with the accessories. Let's go and check each and every accessory that comes with this figure. Let's start off with the display stand or flight stand that has the movie logo and the armor's name. 3 pairs of extra hands. One is relaxed, one to hold a weapon or shield, and the last one is for fire blaster effects. 4 fire blaster effects for hands and feet. A back cover that covers the peg holes. These holes are where the thrusters are being pegged into. The thrusters. A pair of nano blades. 1 nano guitar blade that replaces the right hand. 1 nano arm blade that replaces the forearm of Mark 50. A round nano shield. A pair of nano repulsor cannon. And lastly, a larger nano shield. Let us now check the figure. This figure is made of ABS, or PVC plastic. It's a 1/10 scale, a 7-inch figure. Here he is, next to Mark 42, for a little height comparison. But he looks a little smaller. Maybe because the frame of the body is not as bulky as that of Mark 42. But it's still in proportion to its body parts. Let's further check the figure. The armor's overall look is stunningly beautiful. The paint job is superb. The distribution of the colors are rightly placed. Every bit of detail is exceptional for this scale. It's really a good representation of the Mark 50 in the Avengers Infinity War movie. Let's see its articulation. This figure's articulation is just like the previous Iron Man models. Its head can look up or down, or side to side even. Its arms can be raised sideways. And has a pull-out gimmick for better mobility. It can be raised forward or backward. Its torso can be twisted side to side. It also has a pull-up gimmick. So as the hips. Its legs can kick forward, but just this much. Or backward. It can also be raised on its sides a little. Its thigh is on a swivel. Knees can bend too. And the feet are on a ball joint. I think I forgot to show the articulation of the elbows and wrists, but as I said, it's similar to old Iron Man models by ZD Toys. ZD Toys still has not incorporated a waist articulation. But not a big deal though, since this is still posable. My thoughts on this figure. It's actually great that it has a lot of accessories that you can actually play or mess with. But it could have been much better if the battering rams and the energy displacer cannons are included, making it a more complete Mark 50 set. But nonetheless, ZD Toys still did a great job on this. What are your thoughts about this figure? Just comment down below. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And click the notification bell to get updated with my new videos. Thank you.